So, jetzt fangen wir an. Seite Nummer 117. Netzwerk 0. Um einen Gefallen bitten. To if you need a favor from someone. Yeah, and then you will say that we will learn soon. Yeah, this is you need a favor from someone. Okay. Um einen Gefallen bitten. Sich beschweren. Sich beschweren is you want to complain about something. Sich entschuldigen, to excuse about something. Meine Nachbarn, my neighbors, my neighborhood, my neighbors. Wie gut kennen Sie Ihre Nachbarn? How good do you know your neighbors? Nachbarn, neighbors. Kennen is to know. Wie gut? How good? In welchen Situation, in which situation haben Sie Kontakt mit ihnen? In which situation do you need the contact with them? Or do you have the contact with them? Erzählen Sie. Tell. Okay, this is with listening, yeah? Hören Sie das Gespräch. Listen to the discussion. Welches Gespräch passt zu welcher Situation? Which discussion or which sentences match which situation? So we can see the pictures. Yeah, schauen Sie die Bilder an. Look at the pictures. Schauen Sie or schau die Bilder an. Yeah, she is telling something about the plants. Maybe she needs help, and he wants to help. Maybe, or he's asking something, and there's a can with water. And in the next picture, I think the neighbor is here or something. So let's see. So this you will be listening, yeah? Chapter number 10, right in Google, and you can listen to this stuff. Hören Sie das Gespräch noch einmal, one more time. Sind die Sätze richtig oder falsch? Are the sentences true or false? Richtig oder falsch? Sätze are sentences. Kreuzen Sie an. Always, always, always. Remember, you must just put a cross in the exams. Okay, that's it. No other sign. Frau Morena beschwert sich über den Lärm. Frau Morena complains about the Lärm is noise. Yeah, you see, at the background there is a disco going on, and they're having some party. And she comes and she complains about the lamb. So this is richtig. We did not listen, but we know according to the pictures. Herr Olsen findet die laute Musik nicht in Ordnung. Mr. Olsen does not find the loud music good. Yeah, in Ordnung means okay. He does not find the loud music okay. Laute Musik, loud music. Nicht in Ordnung, not okay. Yeah, this can be, no, this can be wrong because maybe he likes the music. Maybe. Next is Herr Wolny. Herr Wolny is this one. Yeah, this is Herr Wolny. Herr Wolny gießt die Blumen. He pours water to the plants or flowers. Gießt means to pour. Gießt die Blumen, pouring water into the plants or the flowers. Von Frau Groma. The flowers of Miss Groma. He is pouring water into the plants or flowers which belong to Miss Groma. Von Frau Groma. Wenn sie im Urlaub ist. Whenever she is in vacations, Urlaub. Urlaubs are various kind of Urlaubs, yeah. Arbeitsurlaub and many others. Wenn sie im Urlaub ist. If she is in the vacations, then what does Herr Wolny? Pours water, gives water to the plants or flowers. Frau Groma bringt ihre Blumen. Miss Groma brings the flowers in Herrn Wolny's Wohnung. So she has brought the plants or the flowers to into Mr. Wolny's flat. So this is richtig. Einen Gefallen bitten, to ask for a favor, oder sich beschweren, or to complain. Beschweren. Welche Reaktion passen wo? Which reactions matches where? Okay, gib mir auch. Ordnen Sie zu. Das tut mir leid. Das tut mir leid is very important. This means I am sorry. Something happens, you have done something wrong, or you have you came in the way of someone, or you have done something wrong, then you have to say das tut mir leid. This is very important. Do not show your arrogance, okay, as in the other countries. In Germany, the people are very respected people. Yeah, respective. They respect a lot human beings. So be careful with this and be very humble and calm. Das kommt nicht mehr vor. Das kommt nicht mehr vor means this will not happen again. Das kommt nicht mehr vor. This will not happen again. Nicht mehr vor. Das kommt nicht mehr vor. Kein Problem, no problem. This is the answer of if you are excusing yourself, the other person will be saying kein Problem, no problem. Natürlich, das mache ich gern. Of course, I'll do it likely. Of course, I'll do it likely. Yeah, I like to do that. Entschuldigung and tut mir leid are approximately the same. Schade, das geht leider nicht. Sadly, this is not possible. Sadly, schade, sadly, this is not possible. Das geht leider nicht. This is not possible. Verzeihung, this is also to excuse. Like I am sorry. Or this also is used when you are disturbing someone. Yeah, Verzeihung, verzeihen Sie, Verzeihung, verzeihen Sie. Excuse me, please. Einen Gefallen bitten. Now these are the different ways how to ask for favor. Könnten Sie mir einen Gefallen tun? Could you please do me a favor? Könnte ich könnten Sie, ja, ich wollte Sie fragen, I wanted to ask you, ob Sie mir, ob Sie mir einen Gefallen tun können. Ich hätte eine Bitte. I had a request. So then you can tell the request. Auf eine Bitte reagieren. Natürlich, das mache ich gern. Ja, this is natürlich, das mache ich gern. And also kein Problem. Yeah, both of these you can speak out. Sich beschweren. Entschuldigung, könnten Sie bitte, excuse me, could you please do this or that, no? Because this has happened. Das geht wirklich nicht. I'm sorry, this is not possible because this is this. Sie können doch nicht so laut sein, for example. How could you be so loud? Or why are you being so loud? Es stört mich. It's disturbing me when, if you do this or that. Okay, ordnen Sie die Wörter zu, put the words in order und beschreiben Sie die Situation and describe the situation. This is your homework, you have to do that. Der Hund, der Müll, these are the words which you can use. Der Hund, der Müll is garbage, geben to give, ein Päckchen annehmen, to take the packet. Päckchen is a small packet. Die Zwiebel, Zwiebel is onion. Abends abholen, to fetch in the evening. Abends abholen, to fetch in the evening, something to fetch. Vor der Tür stehen, to stand in front of the door. Bellen, bellen is the dog. The dog is when the dogs are barking, then that is called bellen. Stinken, stinken is uh, uh, smelling. Stinken means smelling. Yeah, der Müll stinkt. Der Müll stinkt. The garbage smells bad. So you can put these words and match them with the pictures. Now we are moving further. Seite Nummer 116, Page Number 116. Auf Informationen reagieren. To react about some information. To react if there is some information. Eine Geschichte schreiben und verbessern. To write a story and improve it. Unser Hausboot schaukelt. Houseboat is this one. I also lived in houseboat in Germany. It was really fun for a while. Houseboats are boats, and inside the boats you can live. Schaukelt is the if when you see the when the waves come, then the boat is moving to the left and right. That is schaukel. And schaukel is also a swing. When you take a swing, the children in the kindergarten there are swings. That is all schaukeln, and that schaukel is called the swing. So they swing. The ship is swinging. Unser Hausboot schaukelt so schön. It is swinging so nicely. Die Jahreszeiten sind auf dem Wasser besonders intensiv. The seasons are very intensive, especially intensive on the water. Auf dem Wasser. On the water. Important. Und die Luft ist frisch. Immer frisch. The air is always fresh. Im Herbst sind die Bäume, in autumn, Herbst is autumn, sind die Bäume are the trees, am Ufer zum Teil rot. Ufer is the mm, is are the it is the end of the river. You see the edges. So on the edges of the river, the trees have red leaves. Zum Teil rot means the leaves have become red. Uh, part, some parts of the trees have become red. Es ist wunderschön. It is beautiful. Wenn sich die Wolken, when the uh, Wolken are clouds, wenn sich die Wolken und die Bäume im Wasser spiegeln. Spiegel is mirror. It is beautiful. It is wonderful when the clouds and the trees reflect in the water. Okay, you see, they are reflecting in the water. It is beautiful picture of nature. Katharina Hansson, Designerin. This is Bild Nummer C, picture number C. Mehr Wissen, suche Hellish Südfall. Hellish Südfall, Insel im Wattenmeer. This is the name of an insel that is you can see in the picture. Insel is island in North Sea, and Wattenmeer is the name of the water. Meer is sea, and this all is in North Sea. Länge, the length is 1,2 Kilometer. Breite ist 620 Meter. Fläche ist 0,56 Quadratkilometer. Quadratkilometer is square kilometers. Fläche is the surface. The surface. Einwohner are the population is 2. Now, maybe only 2 people are living on this island. On the right hand side, and these are the caravans, I think. Daniela Haas, Studentin. Hier leben 20 Erwachsene. Here 20 mature people are living. Hier leben 20 Erwachsene. Erwachsene are mature people, like we are. Und 7 Kinder and 7 children. Ich wohne allein. I live alone. Ich wohne allein. I live alone. Allein is alone, yeah? Be careful. In meinem Wagen. Wagen is the wagon. You saw, no? The wagons here. This is a caravan kind of thing. Komma, aber wir haben eine gemeinsame Küche. But we have a gemeinsame Küche is like everyone has one common kitchen. Yeah, gemeinsame Küche is having one common kitchen with many people. Gemeinsam means normally together. Together we have one kitchen. Dort treffen wir uns oft. There we meet often. In the kitchen, most of the people, they meet with each other because they are hungry, and that is the reason they come together. That is a kind of common room. Dort treffen wir uns oft, very often. Das Leben in der Wagenburg. Wagenburg is the name of that place. In that place, I think the people are living in the caravans. Das Leben in der Wagenburg, the life in Wagenburg ist sehr einfach, is very simple. Und deshalb auch oft anstrengend. It is simple, and that's why it is often very difficult. Anstrengend is difficult. Anything anstrengend is difficult. Simple life is difficult, of course. It's not luxury. Luxus is luxury. Gibt es hier nicht. There is no luxury here. There is no luxury here. Gibt es hier nicht? There is. Gibt es is there is. Gibt es? There is. Here means here. Wenn es regnet, if it rains, wird man eben ein bisschen nass. Nass is wet. Ein bisschen is a little bit wet. If it rains, then one is a little bit wet because the roofs are not properly made and the rain is coming from these doors and windows. It's all broken. But they do not pay rent and it's all free. Die Meinung der Bewohner or Bewohnerinnen, the opinion of the males living over there and the females living over there, Bewohner or Bewohnerinnen. Ja, hören und notieren Sie. Listen and note. Wie ist das Leben dort? So here you will have to answer all of these questions and these. Yeah, you can just extend them. Yeah. Welche andere Personen sind für die Leute wichtig? Which other people are important for these people? Which other people are important for These people are important. Yeah. A line of the Insel, a line of the Insel is alone on the island. Auf dem Hausboot in im tiny house. Tiny house is maybe some house, I don't know. Auf dem einsamen Bauernhof. Einsamen Bauernhof is a farmhouse which is totally alone somewhere. In their Wagenburg. So you can tell these, give these information of what is the how is the life over there. Yeah, check that out. And underneath there, this is the example here.